Do you often feel tired? Do you feel your energy is always low, even after a full night's sleep? Do you find yourself blaming age for the way you feel? What if I told you that tiredness and low energy are not just part of getting older? What if I told you that in many cases, fatigue is actually caused by insulin resistance? In this video, we will uncover why so many people feel tired all the time, and how fixing insulin resistance can restore your energy, improve your health, and reduce your medicines. Let's begin with the basics. Your body runs on glucose. When you eat food, it is broken down into glucose, which is used by your cells for energy. Insulin is the key that unlocks your cells and allows glucose to enter. When the system works smoothly, your cells get energy, your brain feels sharp, and your body feels active. But when insulin resistance develops, your cells stop responding properly. The doors don't open fully. Glucose cannot enter efficiently. The result is that your blood may show high sugar, but your cells feel starved. This is why you feel tired, weak, and low in energy, even when you have eaten a full meal. Now let's look at the common symptoms people often ignore. You feel drowsy after eating rice, roti, or sweets. You find it hard to focus at work. You feel heavy and sluggish, even though you slept well. You depend on tea, coffee, or snacks just to stay awake. All of these can be signs of insulin resistance. And here is the hidden danger. When you feel tired, you often stop moving. You rest more, you walk less, you exercise less. This makes insulin resistance worse. It becomes a vicious cycle. Tiredness leads to less movement, which leads to more resistance, which leads to more tiredness. If ignored, this fatigue slowly turns into diabetes, fatty liver, obesity, and heart disease. But many people miss the connection and think it is just age catching up with them. Now let us talk about the solution. You can restore your energy by reversing insulin resistance. And you don't need complicated diets or heavy workouts. You need simple, practical changes. Start with food. Reduce grains like rice, roti, bread, biscuits, and packaged foods. Avoid sweet fruits and stop drinking milk. Instead, focus on vegetables, sprouts, curd, paneer, fish, chicken, eggs, nuts, and seeds. These foods give you stable energy without overloading insulin. They prevent the sugar spikes and crashes that make you sleepy and tired. Next, keep your body active. A short 15 to 20-minute walk after meals improves blood flow and helps sugar enter the muscles. This directly improves your energy. Over time, your cells become more sensitive to insulin, and you stop feeling drowsy after meals. Third, sleep properly. Good sleep restores your hormones. Poor sleep raises stress hormones like cortisol, which increase sugar and insulin resistance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. You will be surprised how much fresher you feel. Fourth, reduce stress. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode. Your liver releases sugar into the blood. Your insulin resistance gets worse. And your energy crashes. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature can restore balance. Now let's be honest. Medicines can lower sugar on paper, but they cannot make your cells more sensitive to insulin. They cannot give you back your energy. This is why so many patients remain tired, even while taking more and more tablets or insulin. If you want to reduce medicines, if you want to reduce insulin, if you want to stop wasting money on endless prescriptions, repeated doctor visits, and costly hospital admissions, then reversal is your best option. Reversal fixes the root cause. Reversal restores your energy. Reversal gives you back your life. This is what Dr. Anirban Chakraborty's program is designed to do. It is not about strict diet charts or starvation. It is about practical lifestyle changes that fit into your daily routine. It is about guidance from an experienced doctor, supported by a senior dietitian. And it is about helping you live a healthier, more energetic, and medicine-free life. So if you are tired of being tired, if you want to wake up fresh and live with energy again, do not wait. Take the first step today. You can consult Dr. Anirban Chakraborty online from anywhere in the world. Call or WhatsApp at +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7 to book your appointment. Choose a regular consultation if you need medicines, or a reversal session where Dr. Chakraborty studies your lifestyle in detail and gives you step-by-step guidance to reduce illness with less or no medicine. Again, the number is +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Do not accept tiredness as normal. Do not blame age for what insulin resistance is causing. Fix the root cause, reverse it, and take back your energy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on diet, exercise, sleep, and stress. The 4 pillars of diabetes and obesity reversal.